Fiat sold the Pininfarina outlined 124 Sport Spider in North America for the 1966 through 1980 model years, trailed by a couple of years of importation by Malcolm Bricklin as the Pininfarina Spider. Amid the 1970s, these shabby and lightweight games autos sold well, and enough of despite everything them anticipate oft put off rebuilding efforts that a lot of regardless them appear in destroying yards right up till today. Here's a corroded however total 74 out of a Denver's own self-benefit yard. This wouldn't include as genuine rust Maine or Michigan, however it's a capital punishment for a Denver Spider. As indicated by the Outflows test sticker, it was driving in Colorado as of late as 1994. The inborn coolness of an Italian convertible keeps these autos around even after they break, which occurs with awesome recurrence. However, their reasonableness makes proprietors hesitant to spend genuine cash on settling issues. This implies a huge number of 124 Sport Spiders sit in carports, yards, and carports around the mainland, anticipating repairs that, as a rule, will never come. In the long run, a companion or landowner or property holder's affiliation has had enough, and the old Fiat venture takes that last, miserable tow truck excursion to the burial ground. The 1.756cc twin-cam motor in this auto was evaluated at 92.5 strength, which was better than average power for a 2,128-pound auto in 1974. The current Miata-based 124 Spider has 164 steeds and weighs only a couple of hundred pounds all the more, however desires have changed since the dull days of the Malaise era. The 124 Sport Spider's fundamental opponent in North America was the respected MGB. The two autos were infamous for unwavering quality issues, however so what? Driving in a moderate minimal European convertible was much more fun than chugging around town in a Corolla or Pinto. In 1974, the 124 Spider had a $4,395 sticker price, around $23,000 today, and the MGB cost a minor $3,925. The MGB was heavier and had only 78.5 pull from its tough however crude pushrod motor. Yes, British Leyland guaranteed the half-horse as opposed to adjusting down, yet was considerably more unequivocally assembled. Notwithstanding the flaky electrical framework made by the Prince of Darkness, the MGB would have annihilated the 124 Spider in the reliability division. I generally get these lovely metal and glass cautioning lights when I discover them in trashed Fiats. I have introduced them in everything from Impala instrument boards to handcrafted auto parts boomboxes.